be walking through with you our web application portal. And this current screen you're looking at is a login screen for our administrator. Let me just enter the username and password. Upon logging in, this will be the first screen you will see as administrator. Notice at the left hand side of the screen, there are a few options that the administrator can do by adding orders, customer, staff, and products. So for example, by adding customer. These are the list of information that is needed to add a new customer. So let me just key in the details. Upon completing the details, simply just click on the Add Customer button. This message means that the customer has been successfully added into our database. Likewise, this applies the same to our staff and products. Let's proceed to our order. By adding new orders is simply different from the rest. Why is it so? It is because we need to add in our Excel file that we have a template created for our Maha chemical. Let me now show you the template that we have created. As you can see from this Excel sheet, this is a template that we have provided for our client. Notice at these two tabs, it actually represents the current order that will be keying into our database. So this, as you can see, these are the list of information that is required for the template. And as for this segment, it will actually represent the items that will be sent and the quantity to be sent for this particular order. So let me now show you how do I import this Excel file. So how do I add in new delivery? Simply by just locating the file which I have just shown you, clicking the upload file to import the delivery order. Notice the message has stated imported successfully, which means we have gotten your data in our database. So these are the two entries that we have just added in. By clicking the view more, you'll be able to see in the full detail which is provided in the Excel sheet. And as for this map, it actually indicates the location of the driver where he is at. The admin is able to edit his current delivery by clicking on this icon right here. By making any amendments, simply by just doing this, by clicking on the submit button. Updated has successfully, as is shown for our database, it is successfully added. Now I will show you how will the customer do an inquiry on where are their products. Simply by locating on this screen, enter their PO number. Do a search, and here are the status of your delivery. To know where exactly the driver is, click on this button right here. As you can see, a drop down pin has been dropped, which indicates where the driver is right now, which actually indicate that it's on the way to the customer's place.
To do the demonstration on the mobile application, upon clicking on the Maha Cargo icon, it will come to a page where it requires the driver to enter the login details. A loading screen will appear, and this will be our main menu for the mobile application. There will be three options: schedule, delivery, and logout. The schedule is for forecasting of the delivery schedule. Delivery is used for the delivery schedule of the day. Last but not least, the logout is used to exit from the applications. Now we'll move on to schedule. The default delivery date will be shown as today's date. and the delivery is categorized into morning delivery and afternoon delivery. The driver are able to view more detail of the delivery by clicking the address. A pop-up dialog will appear with the client company name and address. In order to know the exact location of the client, driver can click on the location. Then a pin will be dropped on a Google Map to let the driver know the exact location and surrounding. For navigation purpose between the days of delivery, the driver is able to hit back and front using the arrow. On the top right hand corner, you will notice a calendar icon. Upon clicking on it, the driver is able to choose its desired date of delivery schedule to view. The due date beside the calendar will bring the driver back to the delivery schedule of the day, regardless of which day he's at on the screen. And now we'll go back to the main menu. We'll proceed with delivery, which will show you the delivery of the day. The numbering at the left-hand side indicate the sequence of the delivery. Each delivery there will be two buttons provided, the address and deliver. The address provides the same function as we mentioned earlier in schedule. The deliver allows driver to perform its delivery process. A pop-up dialog will appear for confirmation of delivery. Once confirmed, an SMS will be notified to client that delivery is on its way. The current screen we are looking at right now indicates that the delivery is on the way. Upon reaching the client location, then the driver will need to contact the recipient for informing them that the good has arrived. At the screen, client signature is required upon completion of delivery. If the driver submits without a signature, a warning message will be prompted. Signature will capture and save client signature. Clients are able to resign by select clear. Once signature is captured, it will be displayed on the screen. Once everything is done, then the driver will be able to submit. After submit, it is the driver's duty to send out a confirmation email back to the client through his phone. Notice the time right now. The driver is unable to proceed with the afternoon delivery. In terms of client view, a SMS and email will be received from Maha. At this screen, we will see the SMS sent by Maha. Next, I will show you the confirmation email. As you can see from this screen, a confirmation email is received from Maha to act as an acknowledgement of delivery with the attachment of recipient signature. And with this, we have come to the end of our mobile application demonstration.